Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon bear. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two small circles for the eyes. And I want to start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye, coming in. And then we'll draw a smaller circle on the bottom right side. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now let's move in between the eyes and draw a large oval for the muzzle, starting right in the center, go all the way around, across the center, and then back up. Along the top, we're going to draw a small oval for the nose and then fill that in black. Let's move to the center, curve the mouth, coming down and up toward the left. Go back to the center, come down and up on the right. Let's go out to the side and draw the top half of the head. We're going to start on the left. We're going to go up, go around the face, come around, down, and then in. Let's go back to the left side, just going to round at the bottom of the head. We're going to come down, across, and then up. Let's place the ears on top of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a half circle, going all the way around, and then back in, and line that up on the right side. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Let's move down and draw on the side of the body, starting on the left side of the head, then it's out, and back in towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the paw. Just pull that up on the inside. Now I'm going to connect the inside of the arms with a curve going up the middle and then back down. Let's go back to the side, curve the belly, coming down and then up. Let's draw the inside edge of the hind legs, coming in and up. And we'll separate the paws with two lines on either side. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of a bear. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.